Time. It rules our days. It dictates our schedules. From the moment our alarms blare us awake, we are off, swept along in the current of minutes and hours. We race against deadlines, squeeze in appointments, and celebrate milestones, all governed by time's relentless march. But have you ever stopped to consider the profound impact of this invisible force? Time is more than just a measurement. It's the fabric of our existence, the stage upon which the drama of life unfolds. We measure our lives in birthdays, anniversaries, and the passing seasons. We mark our progress through time, charting our growth and evolution. But time's influence extends far beyond our individual experiences. It connects us to the vastness of the cosmos, to the birth of stars and the swirling dance of galaxies. By understanding time, we begin to grasp our place in the grand scheme of the universe itself. Human history, too, is a story etched in time. It is a narrative that spans millennia, capturing the essence of human existence through the ages. From the earliest cave paintings to the digital archives of today, our history is a testament to our enduring quest for knowledge and understanding. Archaeologists and historians meticulously piece together fragments of the past, using time as their guide. They delve into ancient ruins, uncovering relics that speak of civilizations long gone. Each artifact, no matter how small, holds a piece of the puzzle, a clue to the lives of those who came before us. They analyze ancient artifacts, decipher faded texts, and study the geological layers of our planet to understand where we came from. In laboratories, researchers use cutting-edge technology to date objects and reveal their origins. In the field, scholars examine the layers of Earth, each stratum telling a story of a different epoch. Each discovery, each new piece of evidence, adds a thread to the intricate tapestry of human history. These findings are meticulously documented, creating a record that future generations can study and learn from. The work of these dedicated individuals ensures that the stories of our ancestors are not lost to the sands of time. We learn about the rise and fall of civilizations, the migration of people across continents, and the evolution of our species. Historical reenactments bring these stories to life, allowing us to experience the triumphs and tragedies of the past. Maps showing human migration patterns reveal the incredible journeys our ancestors undertook in search of new lands and opportunities. Time allows us to trace our lineage back through millennia, connecting us to our ancestors and illuminating the long journey that brought us to this moment. Genealogists painstakingly trace family trees, uncovering the roots of our heritage. Timelines showing human evolution highlight the remarkable progress of our species, from primitive beginnings to the complex societies we live in today. Time reveals the interconnectedness of all things. The constellations in the night sky are a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Images of interconnected historical events show how seemingly isolated occurrences are part of a larger, intricate web of cause and effect. It shows us that we are part of a continuum, a chain of events stretching back to the dawn of time itself. The movement of stars across the sky is a visual representation of the passage of time, a constant reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. Historical timelines stretching back to ancient times provide a framework for understanding the progression of human history. By studying the past, we gain a deeper understanding of the present and a clearer vision for the future. Historians and scholars present their findings, offering insights that help us navigate the complexities of the modern world. Their work not only preserves the memory of our ancestors, but also guides us as we forge our own path forward. Through their efforts, we come to appreciate the rich tapestry of human history and our place within it. Yet, as with any scientific endeavor, the study of time is not without its challenges. The quest to understand our past is a complex journey filled with both triumphs and setbacks. Each discovery, each artifact, and each piece of evidence brings us closer to piecing together the grand puzzle of human history. However, this journey is fraught with obstacles and occasional missteps. Scientists and archaeologists, despite their best efforts, have sometimes erred in their attempts to date artifacts and events. These errors can stem from a variety of factors, including the limitations of the technology available at the time, the condition of the artifacts, and even the biases and assumptions of the researchers themselves. These mistakes, often born of limited technology or incomplete information, remind us that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. As new technologies emerge and new information comes to light, previous conclusions may be challenged and revised. This dynamic nature of scientific inquiry is both its strength and its challenge. It requires a willingness to question, to re-examine, and to admit when we have been wrong. One notable example involves the dating of the Shroud of Turin, a linen cloth believed by some to be the burial cloth of Jesus. The shroud has been the subject of intense scrutiny and debate for centuries. Its origins and authenticity have been hotly contested, with various tests and analyses yielding conflicting results. Early carbon dating placed the shroud in the 14th century, contradicting the belief that it was 2,000 years old. This finding was a significant blow to those who believed in its ancient origins. However, the story did not end there. The initial carbon dating results were later called into question due to concerns about contamination. Subsequent research revealed that the samples used for dating were contaminated, leading to an inaccurate result. This revelation prompted a re-examination of the evidence and a renewed debate about the shroud's true age. It also highlighted the importance of rigorous scientific methods and the need for careful consideration of all potential sources of error. This case, along with others like it, underscores the importance of scientific rigor and the need for ongoing scrutiny and reevaluation of evidence. It serves as a reminder that science is a process, not a destination. Each discovery is a step along the path to greater understanding, and each step must be taken with care and precision. It also highlights a human element that sometimes impedes scientific progress: pride. The desire to be right, to make a groundbreaking discovery, can sometimes lead researchers to overlook potential flaws in their methods, or to resist new evidence that challenges their conclusions. This human element is an inherent part of the scientific process, and it must be acknowledged and managed if we are to continue making progress in our quest to understand the past. In the pursuit of knowledge, admitting mistakes can be difficult. It's a natural human tendency to hold on to our beliefs and ideas, especially when we've invested significant time and effort into them. This is particularly true in the scientific community, where theories and findings are often the result of years, if not decades, of meticulous research and experimentation. Scientists, like anyone else, can become attached to their theories and findings. These theories often represent a significant part of their professional identity and intellectual legacy. The emotional investment in their work can make it challenging to accept new evidence that contradicts their established beliefs. This attachment can sometimes lead to a reluctance to let go of outdated ideas, even in the face of compelling new data. The prospect of being wrong, of having to revise long-held beliefs, can be daunting. It's not just about the potential damage to one's reputation, but also the internal struggle of reconciling with the fact that years of work might need to be reevaluated. This fear of being wrong can create a significant psychological barrier, making it difficult for scientists to embrace new evidence and change their perspectives. Yet, it is precisely this willingness to embrace new evidence and revise our understanding that drives scientific progress. The beauty of science lies in its self-correcting nature. When new evidence emerges, it provides an opportunity to refine our theories and enhance our understanding of the world. This iterative process of hypothesis, experimentation, and revision is what propels science forward, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. When scientists cling to outdated theories despite contradictory evidence, they hinder the advancement of knowledge. This resistance to change can stall progress and prevent the scientific community from exploring new avenues of research. It's essential for scientists to remain open-minded and flexible, willing to adapt their views in light of new findings. This adaptability is crucial for the continuous evolution of scientific knowledge. It takes courage to admit when we are wrong, to acknowledge that our understanding is incomplete. This humility is a fundamental aspect of the scientific method. By recognizing the limitations of our current knowledge, we create space for new ideas and discoveries. This openness to being wrong is not a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to the strength and integrity of the scientific endeavor. But it is in these moments of humility that we open ourselves up to new possibilities, to a deeper and more accurate understanding of the world around us. Collaboration and peer review are essential components of this process. By working together and critically evaluating each other's work, scientists can identify errors, refine theories, and build a more robust body of knowledge. This collective effort is what makes science a powerful tool for uncovering the truths of our universe. The pursuit of truth is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of exploration and discovery, where each new finding builds upon the work of those who came before. This journey is filled with moments of awe and wonder, as well as challenges and setbacks. But it is through this relentless pursuit that we inch closer to understanding the mysteries of the cosmos. And along the way, we are bound to encounter detours, roadblocks, and the occasional wrong turn. These obstacles are an inherent part of the scientific process. They test our resilience and determination, pushing us to think creatively and approach problems from new angles. Each challenge we overcome strengthens our resolve and brings us one step closer to our goals. But by embracing our mistakes, learning from them, and adjusting our course accordingly, we ensure that we are always moving in the right direction, towards a brighter, more enlightened future. This willingness to learn and adapt is what sets science apart. It's a testament to the enduring human spirit and our unyielding quest for knowledge. As we continue to explore, discover, and innovate, we pave the way for future generations to build upon our work and achieve even greater heights.